हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। माय नेम इज़ आकांक्षा और आई होप आप सब अपने घर पे सेफ एंड सिक्योर होंगे। सो टुडेज़ वीडियो इज़ गोइंग टू बी अबाउट अ स्किन केयर हॉल गाइस। तो जो मुझे अभी जैसे कि हम घर से बाहर कहीं जा नहीं रहे हैं लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे, जो मेरे करंट स्किन केयर फेवरेट्स हैं मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ आज। सो द फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट गाइस विच आई यूज़ इमीडिएटली like after taking bath, because I have a dry skin, so my skin tends to dry very fast, and it sucks all the moisture out of my face after taking a bath. So the current skincare favorite of mine is this toner which I use after after a face wash, which I have previously shown you in the video, the Body Shop one face wash. If you haven't seen the video, then please go ahead and see the video. So the Body Shop vitamin E face wash, and then after that I use this toner, which is a Biotic Bio Cucumber toner. And the thing about this toner is it does what it says. It says pore tightening toner with Himalayan water. So it does it works. So it does it minimize the pore, but it takes time. Eventually it's not going to work like a miracle. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक दिन में ही आप बोलो कि कि मेरे पोर्स कम हो गए, ज़्यादा हो गए, ऐसा नहीं है. So it's going to take time, but yeah, it's quite effective in a very reasonable rate. So its MRP is around 175 rupees, but on Myntra or Amazon you can find it much cheaper because a lot of discounts are going on all the time on this product. So yeah. So the second product is, after I am done with the toner, I use this Mamaearth Bye Bye Dark Circle cream, this one. Yeah. So guys, let me tell you about this. I know that about Mamaearth's product there are a lot of speculations that how if they're working as designed or as they claim or not. But let me tell you one thing, it has worked for me. It has worked for me big time. It's a tube. You just have to put a small bit of this tube, from this tube, the cream, and just put it under your under eyes like this, and just massage slightly or lightly around your under eyes, because I had bigger problems for the under eyes one, because I had so much dark circles because I had a job which requires me to keep awake at night. So इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना मैं कुछ ट्राई करूँ, बिकॉज आई हैव नेवर सीन एनी डार्क सर्कल्स क्रीम जो कि एक्चुअली में इतनी इफेक्टिव हो और वर्क करे. सो आई थॉट ऑफ ट्राइंग दिस वन, एंड लाइक guys, let me tell you, this has worked wonders for me. अगर आप कोई भी एक अच्छी डार्क सर्कल अंडर आई क्रीम सर्च कर रहे हो तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा ऑप्शन है. I mean, आप इसको ट्राई कर सकते हो. अगेन ये एक दिन में रिजल्ट नहीं देगी, लेकिन इवेंचुअली ये रिजल्ट देगी. एंड trust me guys, I had so much under eye dark circles under my under eyes. I mean, so much, and they have literally gone. And even I haven't realized it. I have realized after so many days of after applying this one. But yeah, this has worked for me. So if you want to try a good under eye cream in a budget, you can try this one. So the cost for this one is around, I don't know, 399 maybe. Yeah, so I think it's quite affordable and inexpensive to use. So अगर आप इसको यूज़ करना चाहते हो तो आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. इसमें cucumber and peptides, and which are peptides are really good for your skin. So yeah, so this is my recommendation for as an eye cream for you. Yeah. So the third product I would like to show you is again from the same brand, Mamaearth. This is the vitamin C serum. This is a skin eliminate face serum with vitamin C and turmeric, and they say it's paraben and silicone free, dermatologically tested, and suits all skin types. And again, this has worked for me. So I have got compliments after using this product. And let me tell you, like, these two products from the Mamaearth range are my favorite because they have actually worked on my skin type. I don't know that if these products have worked on you or not, but these have worked out for me, and these have worked out for me big time. And this is my like second bottle of this product I'm using, because after usage of the first one, I have eventually saw the results on my skin. So yeah, तो मुझे ये वाला सीरम बहुत effective लगा है. And guys, if you want to try this serum from this range, I would like recommend this one as a vitamin C serum. This is on like one of the best serums I have ever used. So the cost of this product is around $5.99, and more or less on any of the e-commerce websites you'll find it on discount or not. Then $5.99 also, I think it's quite affordable because it lasts for a long time. Alright guys, so the next product I use after the serum is moisturizer. So in my opinion, I don't think so that we have to spend so much on moisturizers, because the whole purpose of a moisturizer is only to provide the moisturization to the outer skin. And Nivea I've been using from a long time now. So I know like most of you have used it, and it's a very thick texture, and since I have a very dry skin, so it suits my skin very well. It is a very amazing smell. It's a Nivea smell. It's so, I just put like this much is enough for my skin, like, because again if I take a larger amount, or if I take more than this, then it tends to my skin tends to get oily. So I just take this much of amount, put it on my palm, just rub it, and then put it on my skin. Alright, so yes, so as a moisturizer I could recommend you a lot of good ones. There are from Face Shop, the Shea Seed one, the Rice Water one, but again I mean I use all of them as well, but from since we are not going outside, and I don't see, again as I said, a purpose of using such an expensive moisturizer if you have a moisturizer which is available in budget and suits your skin type. So yeah, Nivea is really a good recommendation, and I have been using it from past many months now, and since we are in lockdown at home, so I think it's quite a cheaper product and quite affordable to use, and it's a good quality product. It is a good, so it serves its purpose basically. It provides you moisturization on your skin. Alright guys, so enough about the moisturizer. So the last thing as a skincare routine I do on my face is or on my lips, use this lip balm. This is from the Body Shop Strawberry collection. So this is a Body Shop product, and this retails for around 250, I guess 200 250, and it's really affordable, and it lasts really long. So I have been using it from almost a year, and it's still not empty. See this. And I use it quite a lot, after I saw that it's not getting empty. I have to use it quite regularly, so I'm using it quite regularly. And trust me guys, like if you will be using it if you will be using it on your lips at the night time, and then again in the morning, on the next day, you'll see a visible difference on your lips. Your lips tends to get more pinkish and clear without any kind of dead skin on your lips. So yeah, this is the lip balm I'm using. So yeah, this is the recommendation. So the next product guys is basically not a skincare, but body mist from Body Shop again, and I love it. So you must have seen this in my previous videos as well. This is Body Shop Vanilla Body Mist. It's amazing guys, it's amazing. So yeah, so you just have to spritz it like this on your entire body, and you are good to go. This is so calming, so smoothing, and if you like vanilla, this is a go-to mist for you. Alright guys, so the last step I do for my body in fact is moisturization, because moisturization is really a lot important. We tend to take care of our face, but we forget to take care of our hands and legs, the entire body. So for that purpose I use the body lotion, body moisturizer, whatever, or body cream, whatever like you like, or whatever suits your skin type. So I use this Vaseline one deep moisturizer, because I know it's there are so many fancy products now available in market, like from Bath and Body Works as well, and they are good as well. I have tried them and tested them, so they're good as well. But as for regular use, I use this Vaseline one, and it's quite affordable also, and it's a good quality product, and it does its work. It provides a long lasting moisturization to restore your dry skin. So yeah, so these are my recommendations for the skincare, guys, which is my current favorites. If something changes in my skincare routine, I will definitely post it on this platform, so that you can be aware about this. And if you want to try some of these products, तो मैं जो लिंक है वो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी. और अगर आप लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, और प्लीज़ अपने फीडबैक्स, रिकमेंडेशंस मुझे बताइए कमेंट सेक्शन में कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा. थैंक यू गाइस, बाय बाय एंड टेक केयर.